Introducing 360 Tour. 360 Tour is an incredible tool to generate excitement amongst your target market and end users. 360 Tour provides a vibrant VR-enabled experience and a detailed view of your space with the advantage of not having to be there in person, giving you the power to reach target markets inside and outside of your local community by creating your own virtual environment with photospheres, audio, video, and 360 videos that are easily shareable across social media platforms.
The virtual tour we built with Concept 3D has been very successful for us in emulating a real-world experience and given us the flexibility to create customizations for our users.
We're really impressed by the tour developed by Concept 3D. Bringing this virtual on-site experience to shows with us has created a lot of excitement.